Ramp expense management features, strengths, weaknesses. Ramp positions itself as an all-in-one finance automation platform, with expense management at its core, primarily targeting high-growth companies from Series A onwards, but offering solutions scaling up to enterprise. Key features revolve around corporate cards, expense reporting, bill payments, and accounting automation. The corporate cards offer built-in controls, allowing granular spend limits, merchant restrictions, and automated policy enforcement directly at the point of sale. Expense reporting is streamlined via mobile app with receipt capture, automated coding suggestions, and policy compliance checks. Bill payments are integrated, enabling seamless invoice processing with automated approval workflows and payment scheduling. On the accounting side, Ramp offers native integrations with major accounting software like NetSuite, QuickBooks Online, and Xero, automating reconciliation and journal entry creation. One of Ramp's significant strengths lies in its real-time visibility into spending patterns. Finance teams can quickly identify anomalies, track budget adherence, and generate insightful reports to inform strategic decision-making. The intuitive user interface simplifies expense reporting for employees, reducing administrative burden and improving compliance. Furthermore, the integrated nature of the platform encompassing cards, expenses, and bill pay eliminates the need for multiple point solutions, streamlining workflows and reducing the risk of errors. However, Ramp isn't without its weaknesses. While the platform offers a comprehensive suite of features, its depth in specific areas, particularly complex procurement or project-based accounting, might be limited compared to specialized solutions. While Ramp integrates with numerous accounting platforms, the degree of integration and customization can vary. Companies with highly specific accounting requirements might find the integration less seamless than anticipated. A potential drawback is the reliance on Ramp's corporate cards. Organizations not wishing to switch their card provider will not realize the full value of the platform, and may find alternative spend management software more appropriate. For smaller organizations with very basic needs, the cost and complexity of Ramp might be overkill, making simpler solutions more suitable. Finally, customer support, while generally responsive, has been cited by some users as occasionally lacking in nuanced understanding of complex accounting scenarios. In conclusion, Ramp offers a powerful and integrated expense management solution well-suited for scaling businesses prioritizing real-time visibility, automated compliance, and streamlined workflows. However, organizations should carefully assess their specific requirements, particularly around accounting complexity and existing card programs, to ensure Ramp aligns with their needs and provides the necessary depth and flexibility.